You've got to do a quick phone call. So
yeah, that's fine.
Don't have to wait for me.
Yeah. Yeah. So pretty much I spent the first half of this year, like I quit my job and I travelled, and it was great, and gave me some time to kind of think and take pictures and stuff. And yeah, like before I left, I was chatting with my developer friends, and I kind of said that I wanted to actually create something and actually make something, actually have a like personal project.
You could just travel, that's all Simon does.
Yeah.
Mix it up.
Yeah, so we tried to think of just the most like absurd, crazy name, and yeah, that's where we came up with Jimmy's Bongo Lifestyle blog. Yeah, pretty much I made like a yeah, I made like a little like publication, like a zine, and I went out with the objective of taking loads of pictures of bongos, but I was just having like, too much fun, and I don't know, I just never got my camera out, so yeah. I kind of just ended up just using a collection of photos that I liked aesthetically. So yeah, it was really a way for me to kind of tie that part of the year and then this part of the year that I've really kind of just immersed myself in front-end design and development, really. So yeah. Okay. Let's get up here. Your volume's not on. Oh, well, you can check it out when you go. Anyway,
Technical support, go.
So, pretty much. Well, could be a bug, who knows.
Or maybe it's playing through the projector for the HDMI.
Either way, it's a bongo related song. I actually found it on my iPod when I was out there, so it was pretty interesting. So I was like, nice, I've got that. So yeah, I just really went on the internet and found like really fringe kind of pictures of bongos, like wildflowers or animal climbers. Yeah, just real kind of, turns out Bongo is a car as well. But yeah, just, I really went wild. It was really an exercise for me to play with kind of positioning and whatnot.
You keep scrolling past all the interesting
sorry. Yeah, I was
Bongo bum, sexy bongo.
I love this actually, like, yeah, I mapped like the image of the Windows kind of thing onto a form that I made, and that was like, yeah, like, and it's just a tiny bit of JS, but like if you click subscribe, it just goes thanks, lol. But yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's just more pictures of bongos, you know. So
Wow.
pretty much what I did was I just, because like each div and each image had like different like properties or whatever, I just created like loads of media queries just so it's a bit smoother, although that wasn't smooth, but you know, like, so you just eventually get to like one image per like row per se, and yeah, that's pretty much like the kind of, I don't know, the orange peel, you know, like before we get into the orange. So yeah, kind of the idea behind it was to create something that was kind of dumb on the outside, and then that was something that was quite, I don't know, personal and nice on the inside, and that's where we get to this really. So yeah, this is actually the thing that I made, like the actual design, kind of with pictures and stuff. And again, this like kind of reflects the whole kind of like real world meets digital world, like kind of two combined, like so some like really trippy stuff like here. But yeah, that's really it. Really, I did like a bit of JS there, like that. So yeah, that's kind of it. Lessons learned really. Annoyingly, this widget isn't as responsive as I'd hoped. Like, if you were to go on it on your phone, no matter what I do, it just gets like tiny. So I'm currently working on another tab that will be like a slideshow, and I'm actually writing the JS for that slideshow, so that, you know, like mobile users can actually experience, I guess, the actual content as well as desktop. Yeah, that's really it. I guess I've already learned something from James actually. Like, turns out loading up jQuery just for this is a bit absurd. Yeah, I might just actually apply what I learned this week with the JavaScript DOM manipulation, actually doing that pure, you know. So yeah, it's really, the floor's open to you guys for suggestions or questions.
It's like a total labour of love. So beautiful.
Yeah.
So one thing, you sent me a link in the week. There's a website of how to do things without using jQuery.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Because
Yeah.
I've been for a job that was pure JavaScript. They weren't allowed any libraries because it's so time sensitive and things like that. You sent me that link of
Yeah.
shortcuts. This is how you do something without
Exactly.
using jQuery. There's like 3 lines of code. It's like, oh my god, we're loading up this massive library.
Yeah.
Most of us are just using nothing. I found that really strange actually. So maybe we can point that one out too.
Yeah.
Jimmy as well.
Needed it a couple of years back when kind of it would take you 10 lines of JavaScript for it, but now
It's the cross-browser thing that made
Yeah.
jQuery so useful.
Yeah.
But now everything seems to be a bit more standardised, at least with the.
Oh, so vanilla JavaScript is more cross-browser now?
Yeah, exactly.
Now we don't have to worry about IE6.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
I think they're even stopping supporting 9 in January.
Well,
They should be, because I'm still finding people wanting to go back to 8.
it's like 1% of the
I have a question. How do you do the pages folding?
Yeah, what did you use for that?
What, the pages?
Oh, yeah, I was wondering that, yeah.
What,
Yeah.
just to get from one to the next?
I
The
saw
flippy.
something
Oh,
like
this, the Yumpu, it's just a plugin like Magic Control. Yeah, so yeah, it's just I uploaded so I created it in InDesign and then exported to PDF and then just uploaded it on Yumpu. Yeah, not much more to it, like I just kind of, embedded it in there really.
That's cool.
Alright, so that's like a little pre-written paging.
Yeah. No, I didn't write that. No, not there yet, no.
Well,
so. How does it work? You
I just I used InDesign and then like pretty much made like a digital A5 book
okay?
and then exported to PDF and then uploaded onto this website.
Ah, they create the widget.
Yeah, they created the widget.
Ah.
Oh, so it's taking that from a PDF.
Yeah.
It turns your PDF. Oh, okay, right.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
I mean, I tried to do. Might be able to show you.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it does look cool.
Yeah. Pretty much, I tried to like mess with the actual widget, like when it goes down to smaller sizes, but yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, it's pretty tight, like yeah.
It just needs like a minimum width on it or something?
No, it's like
I reckon because it's an iframe, you won't be able to.
Oh, yeah.
You won't be able to set the actual width of the bit with the book on
Ah, right, yeah.
because that's not
Yeah,
on
who
his
knows?
page.
Yeah.
You just have to learn how to write your own JavaScript PDF.
booklet. Yeah.
See you next week.
That's a
Okay.
project.
You've got a month.
Yeah, that's it really. Thanks for your time, I guess.
Dude, that's really cool.